Today we're banding 3 hawk species with each getting progressively larger, starting off with the smallest hawk in the US, a sharp-shinned hawk. They're actually one of the most common hawks in the US, but most people have probably never seen them because they live here, the woods. Their diet is 90% small forest birds, which they catch with the help of their proportionally long tail, much like the next hawk. This is a Cooper's hawk, for now. It's remarkably similar to the sharp-shinned hawk, only much, much bigger. However, they're actually more related to the American goshawk, the largest and rarest forest hawk in the US, and also basically the grim reaper of anything that's smaller than it. It eats things like songbirds, pheasants, grouse, tree squirrels, ground squirrels, and even ravens, but luckily not little tiny forest hawks. So this little fella should be just fine.